Hey guys, Sean from Bantam Overland. Today's video is all about Alpine. So we get lots of questions via email and phone calls to Bantam about what is the right radio for their Jeep. Well, that's a hard question to answer. It really just depends on what you're looking for. Alpine has multiple radios in multiple sizes and configurations that go perfectly in Jeeps. Alpine has a number of accessories all built to live within their ecosystem that are completely plug and play. So let's go over some of the accessories that are available for each of these Alpine radios. First, we have the DVR C320R. Now that's going to be a front and rear DVR camera. One will go on the windshield, one will go on the back. Now, for those of you who have a soft top, you may not be able to use that rear camera, but you'll still have the peace of mind knowing you have a DVR and a camera up front. Next is the RUX HO2. Now that is a volume and sub control knob. Now as you can see on these radios, there is no rotary knob on the face. This gives you the ability to have that rotary knob and just turn your volume up and down. Next is the KTX NS01. Now that is a USB navigation stick. Yes, these all have both wired and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but sometimes you just don't have signal from your cell phone. So this gives you the ability to have built-in navigation on your Alpine units. Next, we have the HCE C2600FD. Now here you'll see it mounted on our exclusive Bantam Overland front camera mount. So this will give you the ability to see what's in front of you, whether you're in the city or on the trails. You always have access to a view below your hood, just in case there's rocks or that car in front of you. So next is our backup camera solutions. We have two of them from Alpine. The first one is the HCE 1100. That'll give you one single view. And then next will be the HCE C2100 RD. Now that is a 3-view camera. So you'll actually get a bird's eye, a panoramic, and then a fisheye. Both of those are available, and they will also come pre-ready to be installed on our exclusive Bantam Overland backup camera mount. Now everything you see on this table is completely plug and play, so you'll have an easier time doing the installation at your home. One of the other great things about buying from Bantam Overland is we flash everything for you, specifically for your Jeep. So in our Jeeps, there are a few differences. So there are some differences in the dash design of a 07 to 11, and then an 11.5 to the 18. So today we're going to be working on a 07 Jeep Wrangler. Now this customer lost his single-din faceplate, so we're going to be replacing it with the ILX 509 you see here. So some of the differences in these radios: 507, 7-inch screen; 509, 9-inch screen; 511, 11-inch screen. They all have the same user interface on each different one. They all have HD radio. They all have wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So they all use iDataLink Maestro to give you all your information, run your factory amplifier if you have one, and give you everything on your display. All 3 units come ready to go to run your DVR or your knob or your navigation or any of your front or rear view cameras out of the box. The nice thing is it's all plug and play. So some of the accessories that come in the boxes of these Alpine radios: you'll have your microphone, you'll have your GPS antenna, and on models 2012 and up, you'll receive the Uconnect adapter that allows you to use your USB in your center console. Now models before that, now that would be 2007 to 2011, do not have Uconnect, so we'll actually have to run our USB somewhere accessible. One of the accessories we offer for Alpine that's not on the table are the screen protectors that are available for the 509 as well as the 511. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your Jeep experience, check out Alpine and all of their great accessories that are all 100% plug and play. Please visit us at bantamoverland.com.